Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So this one that is about dx over dy. So this one I will put on the left, dy I will put on the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. This one we can change by s to the power of negative number 3 ds. And now we have the formula in here. So we can apply the formula for this one, and that is about negative number 3. So if we apply this one, we have s to the power of negative number 3 plus 1. That is about negative number 2 over negative number 2. And I will put about c. This one, that is about y. And now we have the conditions. That means when y equals to number 0, s equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here and number 0 gone here to find the value of c. This one we have negative 1 over 2. So c in here should be about positive 1 over 2 because I will put this one go to the right and we have the positive numbers in here. And I will put 1 over 2 gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.